When a pilot faces engine failure, it's a high-stakes moment. First, they rely on their training, quickly assessing the situation. They'll switch to the backup engine or glide mode, maintaining control. Communication is key. They'll notify air traffic control and prepare for an emergency landing. The aircraft is designed to fly on one engine, so it's not as dramatic as it sounds. Pilots practice these scenarios in simulators, honing their skills to stay calm and focused. Every second counts, and their decision-making can turn a potential disaster into a safe landing. It's all about teamwork, precision, and staying cool under pressure.